Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming where the backup is stored and how much free space exists. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to view used versus available storage. Once done, go to Manage Storage to inspect device backups and large app data that consume space. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and connected to power. This prevents interruptions and speeds uploads. You're now positioned to free space or adjust backup targets, which is the next actionable step. Now you'll shrink the backup so it fits available storage. In Manage Storage, tap the device backup and toggle off apps you don't need backed up. This removes their data from future backups. Next, offload or delete large media, photograph and video libraries, and heavy message attachments, because they often dominate backup size. Also enable iCloud photos with optimized iPhone storage to keep smaller device copies. These steps reduce backup payloads and make a successful backup far more likely. Finally, initiate a manual backup. Settings your name iCloud backup now while connected to Wi-Fi. Monitor progress and wait until it completes. If the backup fails, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or restart your iPhone to clear transient errors, then try again. As a reliable fallback, connect to a Mac or PC and run a local encrypted backup via Finder or iTunes. This preserves keychain and health data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.